Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alevel and you are watching YouTube channel Alevelcams. In chapter number 9 of differential equation, we solve the question number 10 in this lecture. An information given to us, the radius of a circular patch of oil. Let's say oil fell down on earth and it make a circular patch in which the radius of this circular patch is increasing at the rate inversely proportional to its area. So area of the circular patch and the increment in the radius is inversely proportional to the area. So find an expression in the form of dA by dt. One point is to be noticed here. If you will see everywhere in the world, you will see that there exists a mathematical application, and this application mostly related to the differential equations. So let's say you are moving on a road, you are driving a car, even until you are a fluid, means the flow of water, the blowing of the air, all are has the differential equation. I give you a very simple example. Let's say somebody have a cup of tea. So it depends on that how much the hot cup of tea would everybody like. So it varies from person to person. Someone like the more cold coffee, someone like a middle hot, and someone like the more hot coffee. So it has also a differential equation. So for example, let's say T naught be the temperature of the cup of coffee, T be the temperature of the surrounding. So the differential equation of this one will be T minus T naught, the difference between the surrounding temperature and the temperature of a cup of coffee is equal to multiplication of a constant. This constant is the constant of proportionality, something like that. He has said inversely proportional. So this is equal to the directly proportional to the difference between the surrounding temperature and the cup of coffee. So similarly, dear student, everywhere you will see the application of differential equation. Even the earth system, the difference between the sun and the moon, all the variable movement of the orbits, everything is related to a differential equation. Even the flow of blood in your body is also an example of a differential equation. So let's come to the question. In question number 10, according to the information given to us, we have to consider the circular patch. Circular patch area is pi r square. Let r be the radius. You can write here, let r be radius of circular patch. The area will be this one, and according to given condition, the change in the radius is inversely proportional to the area. So we can write it as dr by dt is k time 1 by a, where k is the constant of proportionality, is a real number. We have to find the expression in the form of dA by dt. So let's say this is your equation 1. So dA by dt is nothing but pi 2r dr by dt. dr by dt is 2 pi r. What is dr by dt? Let's say this is your second equation, k by a. So you can write here 2 pi r k. What is a? Pi r square. Pi is balance, r1 is balance. You have 2k by r. So student, dA by dt is 2k. What is r? From here you can write r is a by pi square root, and this is your answer. Very simple. Everybody can do it using some logical way.